Hi, I'm Caroline Swinson and I'm a business major here at King's. I'm going to take you through the registration process for your first semester on campus. Registration takes place on the King's student portal, which you can access anytime from the TKC website here in the menu. Make sure that you have enabled pop-ups in your browser before you continue to the portal. You can do this in the settings on your browser, or you can just allow for an exception when your browser prompts you to allow pop-ups. The first step in registration is logging onto your student portal, and then you're going to be using the username and password that you receive from the Office of Admissions after your deposit. It's important to select the term you are registering for from the drop-down. If you log into the spring term, well, you aren't going to see the fall courses. To select the right term for campus, you'll look for the first two letters of the season, spring or fall. After you've successfully logged in, click on Registration under Administrative Services on the left side menu. On this page, you're going to be able to select the courses and the section of the courses that you want to register for. If you already know what you want to register for, go ahead and just click the little box on the left-hand side that says Credit. If the course section is full, you may see a waitlist checkbox instead. If you want to sign up for a section's waitlist, just check the box. You'll be notified by the registrar's office if a spot opens up for you in that section. In the meantime, select another section in addition to being on the waitlist. Courses that are marked with the term prerequisite are simply classes that you haven't taken the prereqs for yet, but you will very soon. After you've selected the courses that you want to register for, click the Process Registration button. Now this is very important. Click the Process Registration button. Otherwise, you're going to lose all the courses that you wanted to register for. Now, once you finish registering, go ahead and just click the Register page again, and this will allow you to see the classes that you just registered for. You can also unregister from a course by checking Drop and then processing your registration again. And that's it. Just 3 simple things to remember. 1, select the correct term. 2, make sure you hit that Process Registration button. And 3, if you have any questions at all, just be sure to contact the registrar's office. They'll be more than happy to help. And go ahead and take the time to register for classes now. King's operates on a first-come, first-served basis, and you don't want someone else taking your dream schedule.